Hello to you. In the name of Adonai, we will do and succeed, and the Adonai, in His mercy, will profit us. My name is Abigail, and I teach Judaism on behalf of the kosher-Shofar community, under the leadership of the Rabbi from Eretz Israel. Today, we will study the book of the Rambam on the subject of the Jewish woman in a variety of subjects. The whole temple, a woman either by himself or by a messenger, should bless first the Kiddushin, or he or his messenger, as it is the way that blesses all unleavened bread, and then a temple. And if he Kiddush and did not bless, he should not bless after the Kiddush. And he did not bless, he should not bless after the Kiddushim, which is a blessing to nullify what has already been done. How does he bless the Holy Spirit, who sanctified us with his mitzvah and separated us from celibacy and forbade us fiancés and allowed us to marry by means of a veil and consecration in the Holy Spirit of Israel? This is betrothed. This is the betrothal blessing. If there is wine, he blesses the wine, and then he blesses the betrothal blessing. And then the temple, and if he has no wine or reward, he blesses it by himself. A woman is not sanctified except by her will, and a woman who is sanctified out of necessity is not sanctified. But the man who was raped until he had to sanctify himself. After all, it is sanctified, and a man can dedicate as many wives as one, and he will have money if he dedicated a penny to each one of them, and one of them or the other has to receive the consecration by all of them. The priest sanctified the woman and gave the sanctification of her mind in the hand of her friend, and said to her friend, when he gave the sanctification in her hand, and also you, and so on. After all, both are sacred. But if he gave it in her hand, and if she did, then she who received the sanctification is sanctified with doubt, lest we only mean to see what is in her heart, and as if she said to her, and she will say about this. And therefore she received the sanctification, for it is still asking to see what is in her heart, and because of this she is sanctified. In the name of Adonai, we will do and succeed.